guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl dipped in chocolate, and today we're going on the road. Today I'm going on the road with Bay and some other persons. We're gonna link up on the road. You know, some mad thing one time. Dipped in chocolate plus girl right here, so plus friend them link up. Yeah. So people stay tuned and watch the entire video.
And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, say I'll be a banger chop over here, so right through.
Yeah, my friend she. People, please subscribe, like, and don't supposed to do. You know the badness?
Angle bangle.
You know, it says a link up, more people that have to come. Hey, mommy, hey. What? So we're on the journey. No, we're not gonna party. See? In the bush, man, I go. In the bush, me there. Bushes in the people. Bushes. Hey. In the bush. People, hidden paradise. So we go somewhere, which is a hidden river. We don't know one gully, don't know one part. People, there's a lot of stories about this place where we're going. But we're no business because we're rude. I want to explore. We're young. Because we're young. There's some persons having fun. Yeah, we're young, so let's explore our environment, explore our community. Because you know it's a COVID time, we can't really go nowhere. So let's explore our community. So person, this location is in Glengolf, St. Catherine. So if you want the address, please link me up. You think you know I'm in a dog bite me? Think you know I'm in a dog bite me? Yeah. Get out running out, girl. It's the journey for me. Oh my God, people. It's the journey for me. Watch it. Got to watch your step because you don't want to, you know. Boom. We're going on a trip, a wonderful trip. To the river. People don't mess with me, and I know we know some secret places. We know too. Yeah. So person, the nicest thing about the journey of this vlog is that we get to walk in water. Hey. But it's very tiring. You got to take your time, persons. You see how the river, you see how the journey to the river is so, you know, it's so dangerous though. But you know the place, it's kind of, you know, easy for we to go through this.
For them it's hard, but it's easy for we.
Yeah. Okay.
What do you got road last time? Have that more there? Link up.
Got you give me?
People, because of the rain will go on over there, and the hyper breeze from below, bamboo dropping at the road. I may tell you, say, would have to cut through, step over, hand the bamboo, mini little na gully. Skins it for walk a gully, for go a gully. Yeah. So people, you know, say this journey. What time we left? What time we left from? Right, it is about half an hour now we are walk. I hope it's worth it though.
Watch your bush there.
Catch up the rock. Bush in not gully we are going up, people. Gully we are go. Action. Brother, so. But. Woo!
Oh.
Mosquitoes. Watch pen. Watch pig pen.
Okay.
Excuse me. Things we have to go through because we want to go to the river. People, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, the post notification to be notified when I upload again. Yay! Oh my god, I feel like a mosquito is biting me. Yeah, you know, so we get closer to the river when I see this. But this is disgusting though. But you know, so we get closer to the river. People just look on the heap of things that we have to go through. I walk like him. The things we have to go through to reach the river. Yuck! Some yucky things we're stepping in. Oh my god! Oh my people, look! We nearly reach. Remember when you saw this bar? We couldn't even walk from there, so a wrong place to walk. Jump now.
Keep in.
Yes, I am
Nah, jump. Not yet. Hold on my bag. Just stop it now. I sink inside, I must sink inside. I don't me again now. People, I'm showing you something where we need to fix because the garbages are going to the rivers. We need to fix this. Stop throwing garbage in the gullies because it come right to the river.
I can't call them bomb back on the Russia. I don't need to lock up in this.
From Mercedes and also we so reach so far away from the river. I think it's over. I think it reached a whole hit since we are walking. But it's pretty long, a pretty long time we've been walking. Hold on.
Is that?
First we're going to experiment something. We're going to see if this echo. Yo! In an echo. It doesn't echo. We're almost here. But it doesn't look like the river has been barred. But we're here. We are here. Ooh. Make even a better view of it. For people, this is very deep. Don't think they realize they cannot see the bottom. It is very, 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 very deep. So, and I think there is something at the bottom, like an old, I think it's an old fridge at the bottom. There are divers who dive down there. Yeah, but I think I'm going to stay at that part of the river because I cannot swim as it. So yeah. So we are here, but me can't go down the part there, the river, because girl, you know your girl can't swim. But the water cold bad and the water have a buzz. See, right so reach me. So just imagine in this or right there so reach me. I'm not gonna go further. Me love life.
What's your bad man?
It. If you stand back in the gas now. One down in there, come down here. Spin the beer. Woo, what a cool man. Oh, spin there.
Ready.
People, yes, better than righteous. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please do what you know you should do, which is like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell to be notified when a girl is posting. Right there, so make sure you share it to your friend and your family if you like it. Bye.